2 real-life business acquisitions without using debt. What if you could buy a business, using its own money? Or without knowing anything about the industry? In this video, we break down 2 real acquisition case studies. One in accounting. One in engineering. Both done without taking on debt. Deal number 1. Accounting firm acquisition. An accountant wanted to grow his group of firms. He found a deal through simple local networking. The firm had £800,000 turnover, £175,000 in operating profit. No debt. The owner was approaching retirement. He wanted a clean exit. Accounting firms are valued using revenue multiples, not profits. They agreed on 0.8x recurring fees due to outdated operations. Total price, £640,000. Only £140,000 paid up front, mostly using the firm's own cash. The rest paid over 4 years. What worked? The seller trusted the buyer. Both were accountants. The rapport made closing smooth. What did the buyer do post-acquisition? The buyer modernized the business, introducing new systems, a marketing strategy, and advisory services. Sales and profits grew fast. What were the key takeaways? Trust matters to sellers. Outdated businesses equals high upside. Deal number 2. Engineering business. The buyer sent over 500 personalized letters to businesses that the buyer had no experience of working in. One reply turned into a deal. Company snapshot. Turnover, £2.4 million. Operating profit, £160,000. What was the business's main asset? The factory, worth £590,000. What was the deal structure? Purchase price, £910,000 including the factory. A property investor bought the factory for £590,000 and leased it back to the business on day 1. The rest was paid over 4 years. What worked? There was no debt on the business. Deferred payments came from operating cash flow. The seller was a corporate group, so there were no emotions involved. What were the key challenges? COVID lockdowns made project delivery unpredictable. Cash flow became harder to manage. What were the key takeaways? You don't need industry experience. Use real estate creatively. Get tax advice early on as property deals have complex tax implications. 2 deals. 2 industries. Both done without business debt. With the right structure, anyone can acquire a business. Want more real-world acquisition case studies? Subscribe and drop a comment below on the type of deals you want to see next.